slide in.
Well, unang-una, sila po, yung mga bansa na yan, most likely will not, hindi kakampi sa atin for their personal reason, whether economic or other things. But there is a venue, United Nations General Assembly. Boto niyo po akong presidente, and I'll make sure, I'll go to the General Assembly at sisingilin ko ang lahat ng miyembro ng United Nations to recognize the Hague ruling. Because kung tayo ay tinatawag ng mga nagkakaisang bansa at meron tayong obligasyon sa isa't isa bilang nasyon, bakit pagka kayo'y naniningil ng aming obligasyon, gusto nyo tuparin namin, pero kung kami na naniningil, parang walang dumarating na tulong sa amin. And I think it's high time for us to go to the right forum. Itong mga katabi nating bansa, may personal din silang interest. Now, second, while insisting in the Hague ruling, we will continue to trade with this neighboring nation in the region. We will, fairly. But third, I will not tolerate what happened in the Masinloc incident. Any foreign vessel entering into our sovereign territory, I'll make sure there'll be a decorative item under the sea within the Philippine Ocean. We have to be certain in our own, we have to be certain with our rules, and so that this country, the way it was being done in other countries, will respect us. Kasi kailangan ipatupad natin, hindi yung nangingisda yung ating mga mangingisda. Dati 3 tonelada nakukuha, ngayon 1 tonelada na lang dahil binubuli ng ibang barko ng ibang bansa sa loob ng ating bansa. I'll capture them. I'll make sure that they're going to be liable, and I will ask the ambassador of that country to explain before the office of the president.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Sandra Aguinaldo, nakatutok 24 oras.
Sa Rayuma, kailangan Skelan. Unilab yan. Naproxen sodium is the generic name of Skelan. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.